y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some crock pot chicken Caesar sandwiches. So we need to go ahead and get our sauce ready. You're going to need about 2 cups of Caesar salad dressing. I use the Ken Steakhouse. This is our family's favorite brand. You're going to need about a cup of chicken broth. I'm going to have to whisk that together. About a tablespoon of lemon juice. And you can have minced garlic in this, or you can use garlic powder. And I'm just going to use some garlic powder. About 2 good teaspoons. Let me get my little whisk. And, alright, so I'm going to mix this all together. I'm going to use my whisk so that comes together well. And I did make a little bit extra chicken broth just in case it doesn't seem like the sauce is going very far. Alright, so let me move all this out of the way. I've already got 2 chicken breasts in my crock pot insert. I've already sprayed my insert because I always do that. But you can also use a liner. 2 good sized chicken breasts. And then I'm just going to pour this over them. Let me get my spatula and get all that out. We are going to cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours. And then we are going to separate it. Pull it apart, chop it, shred it, whatever we got to do. And we're going to have these sandwiches on some hamburger buns. You can use ciabatta bread rolls, but I just was like, you know what, I've got some hamburger buns I need to use up, so we're just going to do it that way. Okay, 3 to 4 hours on low, and then I will be right back with you, and we will add the rest of everything that we got to add. I also, let me add some salt and pepper. And of course I'm going to stir all that in there together. We still will need to put some Parm cheese on this. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. If I'm going to combine it with the sauce or if I'm going to just sprinkle it on the actual. Probably what I'll do is, after I shred it and everything and I put it back in here, I'll probably put a little bit of Parm and mix it in that way. Husband's not a fan, but if I mix it in, he can't really tell the difference. So I'll probably do that. And I will be back with you in about 3 or 4 hours after this is cooked and chopped. Okay, y'all, so it's the end of the day. I poured off all the juice and, dressing from earlier. So this is what we were left with. I probably should have did an extra chicken breast because I don't know how much that's not going to go very far here. So I'm going to add some Parm. A little bit more. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the dressing again, and this is just for serving it. And then I'm gonna put it back, on the crock pot and let it kind of warm up just a little bit before I serve. Pour just a little bit more. That way it won't be so dry. Another good idea, if you wanted to, you don't have to, but red pepper flakes would be a really good idea to add. Make it a little spicy, but it would be really delicious. And then I'm going to serve this on hamburger buns and just some chips on the side. But you can do any kind of special rolls that you would like. Kaiser rolls, ciabatta rolls, anything. Even Hawaiian rolls would be good. But that's it. That's what it ends up looking like at the end of the day. And I'm just going to put a little bit of pepper. and a little bit more salt. Because I have tasted it, and it's a little bit bland. But now that we got the parm in and stuff like that, that's going to give it a lot more flavor. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a pork roast with some veggies in the crock pot. So this pork roast, I tried to get as small as I could. This is a Boston butt with the bone in. I wanted to do that for, you know, just so it wouldn't dry out or anything like that. I felt like if it was boneless, it was probably going to become more near being more dry. I didn't want that. Didn't want 8 pounds. This is almost 8 pounds. Didn't want that. But it's the smallest I could find. So, we'll go ahead and we're just going to try to muddle through it. We're going to add our potatoes. I only did like just a small amount because I knew it was just a big piece of meat. So I did about, you could probably do about 3 good sized roasted potatoes would probably be enough. I sliced up some onion, just 1 whole onion, just sliced, and then 2 stalks of celery. Not anything special. Hopefully I didn't spill any of those carrots. I did. Alright, and then the whole bag of baby carrots. And this is about a 12-ounce pack. So I'm hoping a lot of that's going to cook down. And I'm going to add some seasoning. Some onion powder. Just to enhance the flavor. Some salt. About a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half of salt, and then pepper, you know, as much as you want. I will try it later just to see if it needs more. And then a can of mushroom soup. Now, this is gonna combine with the juices from the meat and make like a gravy. And all I have is the 1 can. I guess if it cooks down and I need to, I'm gonna add another can of probably cream of chicken because I don't have any more cream of mushroom soup. So we'll see how it goes. It's a lot of vegetables, a lot of meat. We'll see. You're going to cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 8. I'll see you back here this afternoon. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the day, finished product. It's your typical roast of potatoes. Do not pick a roast as big as a 7 pound, I'm just going to say, just fair warning, because it's going to be harder to get done, of course. So you probably do need to braise it first before you even put it in the crock pot. The recipe does, once you follow the link to the recipe, you will see where it does give instructions about that. You don't have to, but the bigger the roast is, it definitely needs it for sure. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.